Two giants in project management, ClickUp and Teamwork.com. The burning question, which one truly reigns supreme? On one side we have ClickUp, the fast-growing productivity powerhouse. On the other, Teamwork.com, the trusted, feature-rich platform built for serious collaboration. We'll test them in the real world, exploring features, integrations, ease of use, pricing, customization, support, and more. Forget the marketing hype, let's see how they actually stack up. Every category earns points, and by the end you'll know exactly which platform takes the win. The final verdict might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, quick overview here: what we're actually comparing. Pricing, features and flexibility, collaboration, reporting and time tracking, integrations, best for, and of course user experience. So ready for this? Here's the full mind map. Take a mental snapshot because we're gonna hit every single one. Let's start with pricing because honestly, does anyone not care about this? So ClickUp is surprisingly generous with their free plan, plus it's pretty affordable for small teams. Now heads up, some premium stuff gets locked behind higher tiers, so if you're chasing every bell and whistle, get ready to pay up. Teamwork.com is really upfront about their pricing, which is nice, and they do that pay-per-user thing. But their free plan, it's so limited it basically just teases you, and once you need core features, the cost ramps up pretty quick. Value for most teams, ClickUp sneaks ahead here. Alright, features and flexibility. This is where ClickUp straight up flexes. You want custom views, automations, docs, goal tracking, heck, even mind maps, it's all in there and you can tweak everything. Now here's the kicker, it can actually be too much. Like if you let ClickUp off the leash, it will drown you in features. Teamwork.com, meanwhile, is built for agencies. They're killer at tracking billable time, and if you work with clients, it's honestly super tight. But the flip side is it's not as flexible if you're, say, a tech startup or product team. So if you want to run your whole life out of your project tool, ClickUp wins this round. Let's talk collaboration. ClickUp gives you real-time editing, built-in chat, a solid notification system. Honestly, it nails the basics. Sometimes, though, all those notifications and comments, they'll drive you up the wall. Teamwork.com's twist is the client portal plus some pretty strong permission controls, which is handy if you're wrangling external folks. But sometimes you'll have to integrate with third-party tools to get everything you want. Both are pretty solid here, so I'm calling it tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know ClickUp actually started as a tool just for developers, but now they're handling everything from marketing plans to HR checklists? Wild how these tools evolve, huh? On to reporting and time tracking. Honestly, if you bill clients by the hour, this is huge. ClickUp lets you make custom dashboards and has basic time tracking. It's decent, but for anything advanced, you'll need to pony up. Teamwork.com, though, time tracking and invoicing are built into its DNA. You get comprehensive billable hour tools and invoicing, and the reports are robust. Worth noting, getting things set up can take a minute, but once you do, it's awesome. If client reporting is your jam, Teamwork.com takes this one. Now integrations? ClickUp is wild here. You've got Slack, G Suite, GitHub, and like a bajillion other options. But yeah, the fancier stuff is mostly paid. Teamwork.com does integrate with mainstays like MS Teams and Slack, it just doesn't hit quite as many direct, deep integrations as ClickUp does. So if blending with other tools is make or break, ClickUp's got the edge. Who's it actually best for? ClickUp is a chameleon. You've got tech teams, startups, product orgs, even marketing or HR. Downside, there can be a rough learning curve if you aren't a techie. Teamwork.com is pretty much built for agencies, consultants, or anyone doing client work. If that's you, it's a sweet fit, but if not, you might find it doesn't stretch far enough. It's honestly a tie on this stat, depends on your actual use case. Alright, user experience. ClickUp's UI, super colorful, lots of fun details, and they really do ship updates fast. And it's a big but it can feel like you're setting up a spaceship at first, lots going on, pretty easy to get lost. Teamwork.com, on the other hand, is just straightforward. Anyone can get rolling in a day and it's way less intimidating. It doesn't look as jazzy, but sometimes boring is exactly what you want. So if you want something frictionless from day one, Teamwork.com pulls ahead here. Let's lay it out and see how these two stack up on a radar chart. ClickUp spikes big time on features and integrations. Teamwork.com is all in on time tracking and a super clean user experience. Everything else? Pretty close calls. So if you want one tool to organize 12 different types of teams and love tweaking every detail, ClickUp is honestly your best bet. But if you're running an agency or doing lots of client work, including tracking billable hours and sending those lovely invoices, Teamwork.com makes your life easier. For most teams though, ClickUp just edges it out overall. If this helped you out, do me a favor, subscribe for more side-by-side app breakdowns. See you in the next one.